Can't believe I got a job offer and rejected it. God of mercy. I got a job offer, guys, but I actually declined. So today was my final day that they gave me to finally decided what I wanted. I just told them no. I went to the office yesterday, like the particular office, and I can't lie to you, that job, if it will not pay me anything, at least to pay me over 150,000 naira, but I rejected it. Anyways, let me give you guys a backstory. My fan is on and everything is just going to be breezy. I think I can just off some so that we can have time to say whatever we want to say. So I'll give you guys a backstory about every single. Oh, Jesus Christ. The noise is something else. Like, I can't believe. I remember there was a time I was actually looking for a job, and I would just tell myself, even if it's 50,000, 30,000, let me just get a job. Let me just get something I'm doing. But right now, I got a job offer and I rejected it. Anyways, backstory on how the job started. And I actually went for the interview yesterday. But today was the final day. I told them I was going to make my decision. And then I told them I'm not interested. I politely declined. So um, where I was working before in Port Harcourt, it was because of my good heart. I would say that's my good heart and my customer care queue service that made the person that the company I work last, I never applied. So someone just told me, will you love to work if you see a better place? So it was because of my good heart that made that honorable man, to take me to that place. So I started working there up till I resigned. See, today we're still in good term. We're talking. So this particular place, the last place I worked, I don't want to be calling company's name. So it's not sponsored. So the last place I worked, and there was this client that every time he comes, I'll always attend to him very well, attend to him very politely. And he told me that he would definitely be on the look for a job for me. So I told him, fine, it's cool. So rules break, rules not break. I gave him my number. So most of the time, he will always send me some of the available jobs that are available. So last month, he told me that he is building something massive, hotel for that matter. He's building something massive and he will love me to come work for him. So honestly, to be honest, when he told me last month, I just told myself and I told my husband, let's see how it goes. I might accept the offer, you understand. I might accept the offer and just add it up to what I am already doing, since I'm already building an audience. After all, why am I an accountant? Okay. So he called me. That was last week. And he said, the place is ready. You need to come for an interview. I said, okay. Jesus. So I went for an interview yesterday, guys. I went for an interview yesterday, and just so you can know, so that people will not start saying, oh, they offered you to be an accountant. It was not the position of accounting, right? It was a position of front desk supervisor. So that I can be able to supervise the front desk stuff and the rest of that. And when I went yesterday, because of how nice this person has actually been to me, because I remember even during my wedding, he sent me some money and he was like, oh, add it up, support your wedding. So I just said, okay, let me not just turn it off immediately. Let me just weigh my my plus and minus, right? So after the interview yesterday, he was like, you're not just here for interview, you know that definitely you're going to get this job. And at all now, winch, this job will pay me at least above 150,000 naira. And when he said that, Omo, I love that money, I cannot lie. That money was very, very important to me. So I just told him, okay, let me just get back to the house and just think through it and think through everything. So myself and my husband did calculations yesterday. And that calculations was, if I want to start going, even if I should be fueling car or transporting and the rest of that, we're going to be having some advantage and we're going to be having some disadvantage. And one of the things that I know that will really, really, really suffer is my YouTube channel. I know that my YouTube channel is going to suffer really hard. So, because, anyways, because I don't want my YouTube channel to suffer, and I know how much I've invested on this YouTube channel, and the fact that I'm still schooling, like we just consider one or two possibility of the advantage and the disadvantage. I just called him this morning. I just called him this morning and I told him, I am so sorry. I am so, so sorry. This job is really important to me and I do not take it for granted. But, but I will not be available for this job if possible, of which is going to be very possible. Nobody is irreplaceable. You can pick another person. His voice feel a little bit disappointed, and I understand that point. But this was one thing I promised him. I promised him that I will take out one or two of my time to come and be at least seeing how the place is going because the place is a new place. But why I'm picking my camera to film now is I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling bad that I just turned someone down. I don't know. Because, like I said, this person has been good to me. His family has been good to me as well. So I'm just feeling bad that I turned down the offer and he felt disappointed. Guys, let me know. Jesus. Guys, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you are in my shoe, what are you going to do? Honestly, the money he is offering me is way more than what I was earning when I was working. But if I consider what I'm doing right now with my social media lifestyle and having to start working again, dressing up in the morning, going to work, always been there because the job of a front desk supervisor is huge as far as I'm concerned. With the little, I would say the little I've done with the last place I worked, I just felt it's gonna be so much on me. It's going to be too much on me. But I'm feeling bad. I don't know why I'm feeling bad, honestly. I do not know why I'm feeling bad. You guys just let me know in the comment section. I didn't turn this job down because of YouTube mainly. I consider other factors like my school, my home, my time. Ah, I needed this money, honestly, but I can't believe I just turned it down. I just can't believe. Guys, I don't know. I don't just know. I don't know. I'm just feeling so weird. I'm just feeling so weird. The moment I said no, and after the phone call, I said no, let me come and talk to my people. Let me come and talk to my people because these are jobs that other people are looking for. And this is me having a job, and I'm turning it down already. Ah! I don't know if you guys are feeling what I'm feeling. I don't know if you guys are feeling what I'm feeling. Like all my body, the goosebumps, everything. I don't know. Just let me know. Am I that really bad? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? Because when we talk about YouTube, self, let's talk about YouTube. Even if I should just earn $200 on YouTube in a month, $200. If I convert it now, that's about 300 and something thousand naira, depending on how much dollar is. Let's not talk about the money aspect. Guys, just let me know. I'm just feeling so weird, honestly. I'm feeling somehow. I feel I just disappointed someone that just put his little trust that I'm going to be doing something for him. I feel like I disappointed someone that has once helped me. I feel like I'm disappointed someone that when I was in my low time, like my low tone, he was like, Sonia, just keep doing the job. Definitely when something good comes up, I will let you know. And this person has been sending me, like, when he has been helping me to send like different jobs opportunity. He'll tell me, oh, apply here, apply there. Ah, guys, just let me know what you think in the comment section because I just hope I'm not disappointing this person. I love you guys. Comment, subscribe, like, and share. And let me know in the comment section. Did I do something wrong? Jeez.